How to watch YouTube videos in Ultra 4K quality. Welcome to How to Mastery. In this video, I'll show you how to watch YouTube videos in Ultra 4K quality. First, open the YouTube app and play the video you want to watch. Now, tap on the video screen and then select the settings icon. From the menu, choose Quality. Here you'll see different video resolution options. If the video supports 4K, you'll see 2160p Ultra HD or 4K in the list. Tap on it, and the video will start playing in Ultra 4K quality. Remember, not every video is uploaded in 4K, so you'll only see this option if the creator has uploaded in that resolution. Also, make sure you have a stable internet connection and a device that supports 4K playback for the best results. That's it! Now you can enjoy YouTube videos in stunning Ultra 4K quality. If this guide helped you, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to How to Mastery for more simple step-by-step tutorials.